Okay, so I chose the thalamus and the occipital lobes as my structures. So right there, highlighted in the center, is the thalamus. Okay, and then the function of the thalamus is relaying motor and sensory information, memory, alertness, conscientiousness, and it also contributes to perception and cognition. Okay, and then some of the current research being done is produced by USC, and they're researching on a rare genetic disorder that is linked to schizophrenia. Okay, and then if you cause any damage to the thalamus, these are some of the things that can happen. So that would be amnesia, apathy, coma, dementia, difficulty speaking, loss of alertness and activation, sleepiness, impaired processing of sensory information, inattention, impaired movements and posture, and pain. Okay, and then that is the thalamus. So next would be the occipital lobe. Okay, so right there in the very back in pink is the occipital lobe. Okay, so the main function of the occipital lobe would be vision. And it says right here, it receives projections from the retina from where different groups of neurons separately encode different visual information, such as color, orientation, and motion. Okay, and then some of the research being done on the occipital lobes is produced by Emily Coppola, and she's researching on why a pounding headache is an important message from the brain. And she found that having a headache at the very base of the skull or having any pain, which is the occipital lobe, is linked to eye strain. And then if you cause any damage to the occipital lobe, these are some of the things that can happen. So that would be hallucinations, blindness, inability to see color, motion or orientation, and synesthesia.